Welcome back to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to fix gear of overloaded crashing on startup and other PC stream crash issue.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Right-click Gears of War, Reloaded, select Properties. Step 3. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Fix 2. Update GPU drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Step 2. Check for updates and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Go to the Games Install folder. Step 2. Right-click Gear Software Loaded. XE. Select Run as administrator. Fix 4. Disable overlays. Step 1. Open Steam settings. Step 2. Go to In-Game. Turn off Enable Steam Overlay. Fix 5. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C. Step 1. Download the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft. Step 2. Install Visual C. Redistributables x96. Step 3. Restart and launch the game. Fix 6. Lower graphics settings. Step 1. Open Game Settings. Step 2. Set graphics to medium, low. Step 3. Turn off ray tracing, DX12, if available. Step 3. Also disable Discord, GeForce overlay. If enabled,